So we're in Mozambique to witness the construction of one of the largest infrastructure projects on the continent, and that is the Catembe Bridge. Let's find out a bit more about it.
We started our construction from the very first period of investigation, design from 2012, and according to our program, we will complete the project by the end of 2017.
A structure like this obviously has to be durable for at least 100 years. And what we have done, fly ash, which is a waste product in South Africa, it's a byproduct of the production of electricity from the burning of coal, which, like I say, is a waste product. We import it and we substitute 35 to 40% of the cementatious material is substituted by fly ash. There's a lot of advantages of fly ash. For example, when the concrete is still fairly wet, when you can use it improves the workability of it, the flowability. I mean, obviously structures this high, we need to be able to pump the concrete to heights of, on the pylon, 140 meters high. So we need to be able to pump it up to that. In the hardened state, it tremendously improves the durability of the structure. And we've also noted that the strength of the concrete is tremendously increased. Our concrete design, normally concrete is stated at 28 days, an X value, which is C40. We've got concrete tests done at 90 days. And even at 365 days. And the strength has improved, say, from 45 MPa up to almost 80 MPa after 1 year.
What it's actually going to do for transport infrastructure in the region is revolutionary. It connects the northern part of Mozambique to the south and also reduces the length of time it takes between South Africa and Mozambique.
Well, that's it. I mean, it's a hybrid system because this has got a lot to do with the port. This is why the height of the bridge is so high to allow any of the biggest ships to pass underneath it. I mean, behind us is also the rail network. So this is also why it had to be suspended going into Maputo to not affect any of the other modes of transport. One of the biggest issues within Maputo itself is traffic congestion. So this will alleviate the congestion immensely because we are also connecting onto two of the major arterials within Maputo.
When this road is done, all the development of the Catembe area, or we can say the southern part of Mozambique, will be connected closely with South Africa, with Maputo City and the north of this country.
It will be a tremendous asset to Maputo and the citizens. At the moment, the connection between Maputo and Catembe, which is on the south bank, you can on the weekend wait up to 3-4 hours, 5 hours just to cross. If you want to go to Ponta d'Oro, which is one of the major tourist attractions down south, which is just north of the South African border, it's a dirt road. During rainy season, it will also take another 5 hours. So once the road is complete, at the end of this bridge, the road is a new road also being constructed all the way down to the South African border post, and it's 115 k's, which now will be reduced to 1 hour.
Well, the main vision that the Mozambique government looks at is the acronym MICE, which involves that part of the tourism sector, which involves meetings, incentives, conferences, and events. This is also part of KZN's tourism and transportation plan, and it's got to do with the East 3 route, which connects Swaziland to Maputo to Durban. So the big motivation behind this and what they are pushing on the tourism front is that you can have breakfast in Swaziland, lunch in Maputo, and then dinner in Durban.